Okay, let's finish this question and finish our lectures. Okay, we did similar questions in lecture, but I think students confuse it because I didn't give them in, I mean, the drawing, and I just give them like this, gave them like this. Okay, you just need to consider these partitions, okay? So when I say 100K, you have to write 100K is my first partition. The second one, let's say 500K, then 200K, 300K, and 600K. Let me to write. So think about there are different partitions. This is 200K, 300K, and 600K. Okay. And we have some processes that coming in order. So according to the first fit, best fit, and worst fit, we will do it. So in first fit, uh, do you have a question or just okay? In first fit, what we are doing, we will find the first available space. Okay, so here we will find the first available space, okay, that our process can fit. So the first process is 250K. So it can't fit to this one, but it can fit to this one. So I will put my process here, 250K. Let's do it like this. Let's show that it is a process. So my partition, empty part, will be 250K. Okay, because I put 250K here, and I still have 250K partition here. Okay, the next one is 400K. The next one is 400K. It can fit here. It can fit here. Not. It can fit only 600K place. So it will put here 400K. Is it 450 or 400? 450. It is another process, let's say. And let's erase this one. I have remaining 150K. I forgot to put, sorry, I put this one, sorry, it is 400K. 400 key. This is process, and remaining is 200 key. Oops. Okay. So I put this one also. The third one is 150K. So I can fit it here. And I can put it here. So I will put 150K here. Another process. And the remaining partition, empty part, will be what? 100 key. This part is 100 key. And the last one is 450K. So this is 100. This is my empty spaces. 100, 200, 300, and 200. So there is no available place, enough space to put 450K. Okay, so in first fit, we can put 3 of them, but last one, there is no enough space in the available partitions. Okay, so in the questions, I will just write some, I will just design them like you can immediately put all of them, okay? So in the questions, I will give them that you can put them there, okay? So there will be no situation like this. All processes can fit, but here, it, okay. The second one is best fit. What is the best fit? In best fit, it is checking all partitions and putting the best one. So let's write our partitions again. 100, 500, 200, 300, and 600. One hundred, 500, 200, 300, and 600. Okay. Okay. So the first process is 250K. In best fit, it will check the memory and put it to the smallest partition. Okay. In best fit, the aim is to just put the process in the smallest partition that it can fit. So it can fit here. It can fit here, but let's check for the others. It can't fit 200. It can fit here, but let's check the others. It can fit to 600, which is the most suitable one is 300 because it is the closest one to 250. So it will put 250 here. Okay. So we have remaining 50K partition. So we finish this one. The second one is 400. It will check this one cannot fit. This one can fit, but let's check for the others. This one cannot fit. This one can fit. Which one is better? This one is better because it is more close to 400K. So I will put 400 here. I have 100 remaining partition. Okay. The third one is 150. This one cannot fit. This one can fit, but let's check the others. This one cannot fit. This one again cannot fit. This one can fit, but which is the closest to 150? 200. So I will put 150 here. I have remaining 50. Okay. And last one is 450. So it can fit here, it can't fit here, can't fit here, can't fit here. It can't fit here. So we have remaining. This is the latest, last view of best fit. In worst fit, it is the opposite of best fit. In best fit, we are looking for the smallest, closest size that can fit, can put it to memory. And in worst fit, just the opposite, the largest hole we are looking. Let's check. Uh, okay, let's draw our partitions again. 100, 500, 200, 300, and 600. Let's say this is 100, 500, 200, 300, and 600. Okay. Sorry, I didn't like that, but it's okay. Okay, inverse fits. The first one is 250. So we will look for the biggest hole. Which is the biggest one? This one. So I will put 250 here. So we will have 350 remaining empty parts. The next one is 400. Which one is the largest? Still, we are looking for the largest. 500 is the largest. So I will put 400 here. And 100 will be here. The next one is 150. Which one is the biggest hole? 350. So I will put 150 here. We have remaining 200. And the last one is 450. This is 100, this is 100, 200, 300, 200. So we have to say it cannot fit into the available partitions. Okay. So I will ask the questions like all the processes can fit. Okay, I will arrange that. In this question, it is not doing that all the time, but I will do it. Okay. And the last one, I'm not going to ask. So look, just of course by understanding, uh, just check these questions. I said to you that I'm not going to ask this true false. I'm not going to ask these true false questions like this. I'm not going to ask question like 8. And I will not going to ask quiz question like this kind of questions. I mean bitmaps. Okay. So there will be your exam will be over 70. So you can think that there will be 7 questions. So if you understood these things, don't worry about the examination, but do not memorize and come, or do not just write somewhere and come. Try to understand. I will send the recording after a while today. It will not take so much. You can check again. So if you understand these things, it will not be a problem in the exam. Okay, if there's no question, I'm going to finish the lecture. It was a very long lecture. So see you and good luck in your exam.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Not at all. Bye bye.